Hi guys, welcome back to Lokinath Lectures. So in this tutorial we are discussing about the audio formatting tags. So in the previous video we are discussing about the image formatting tags. So how we are put the images in a web pages and how we are adjusting the image height on width of the image. These are all things we are discussed in the previous video on how we are taking the image address from the browsers and how we are put it the images in our systems already having. So these are all things we are discussed in the previous video. So in this video or in this tutorial we are discussing about the audio formatting tag. So audio formatting tag. So this audio formatting tag, how we are using this audio formatting tag and how we are adding the audios in a web pages. So these are all things we are discussing in this video. So for that we are writing audio tag. So by the using of this audio tag, we are adding the audios in our web pages. So before going to discuss about the audio formatting tag, so we need to get some information about the audio tag. So within the audio tag we are having the src attribute and src attribute and file formatting types. So the html will be making the file, so the audios will make it in a save in a mp3 format. So this mp3 format in html it will be converted like mpeg. So this file format will be making we are giving the one like file name dot mp3, but this html code will make it as the file format is defines like mpeg. So we need to give the mpeg, and so we are using the some controls. So by the using of these controls only we can play the song. So these are all things we are discussed in this video or in this tutorial. So by the doing of the practical things. So have a look at just a moment. Before going to write a code, we need to save this file. So where we have created a folder in a downloads, we have created a front end folder. Within the front end folder, we have created a HTML folder. So now I'm save this file with the name of audio.html. Now we can write a code doc doc type html and html header section. Within the header we need to write like title. So in the within the title I'm writing like Lokinath lectures. So closing the title and closing the header session and open the body. So within the body we are writing the audio formatting tag and closing the audio formatting tag. So here I'm open the audio formatting tag and closing the audio formatting tag. In between the open and closing audio formatting tag, we need to write one more tag. So already said like source tag. So within this source tag, we are getting like src attribute and file formatting type. So within this attribute, src attribute, we need to give the file. So like which type of file we are giving or assigning to this audio tag. So we need to give. So if we are going back into our files, so which are the collections I are having. So just few songs I have in our system. I had in my system. So this song I'm selected and copy it and I'm keep it in a HTML folder where I should keep it the code, the place only I'm keep it this song also. So I'm making I make it this file as 1.mp3 for the simply understanding purpose. And next, get back into the code. Here I'm writing 1.mp3. Here in this attribute, src attribute, we need to write the file name with the format 1.mp3. So this 1.mp3 file I'm giving or assigning to this audio tag. So this audio tag or the HTML code defines the type of format, mp3 format in a audio by MPEG. It will be defines the type like audio by MPEG. So now I'm closing this body on closing the HTML and make it a save and open the open it in a Chrome or a browser. I'm refresh again. So if you guys are have a look at on the browser, there is nothing will be came into the picture. Okay, there will be nothing came into the browser. Okay, I'm refresh again and again. The multiple times I'm refresh this, but nothing will be came into the browser. So if we are getting back into the code, so if we are observing the code like doc type HTML, HTML head, title, so header, body, audio, so everything will be given. But why it cannot come into the browser? Oh, okay. Actually, we are already discussing about that. Like, so for the audio formatting tag, we are using the audio tag, and within the audio tag, we are using the source tag. So within the source tag, we are having a attribute along with the file formatting type, and we are discussing about the one more thing like controls. So with the help of the controls only, with the help of the controls only, the music will be playing, so the any audio will be played. So we need to give a controls. How we are giving a controls means within the audio tag we are giving the controls. So I'm giving a controls and make it as save, and again I'm open the browser and make it as refresh. So now I get the controls for the playing of this 1.mp3 file. So if I'm click on this play button, so the audio will be playing. So just a minute. Okay, guys. So which is your favorite song? And put it in a code and enjoy the music. So it's enough. That's the reason I'm stop it here. Okay. So this is the audio formatting tag, and if in this video we are learning like how we are handling the audios in a web pages or adding into the web pages by the using of the audio tag. So the audio tag we are using, so within the audio tag here we are open the audio tag and here we are closing the audio tag. So within this audio tag we are writing one more tag is source tag. So the source tag contains the src attribute and file type I mean, it's the HTML only defines the type of file format like audio.mpeg. So the MP3 file format is a MPEG. Okay. And next, we need to give the file name along with the format. I mean, which is the format we are saving the audio related MP3 format. We need to give it. And next, we are closing the audio tag and closing the body. These are all things we'll be doing in a basic things. Everyone can do it. And next, so by the using of the controls only, we can play any song or any audio with the help of the button like controls. So we need to put the controls within the audio. So give some space and put the controls. So by the putting of the controls, we can easily get into the audio in a browsers and we can play it. So and I will make it a save and get back into the Chrome and make it as refresh and again I'm playing this song. Okay. So like this we can play any song. Okay. And we can play any audio also. So do it and enjoy the music. Thanks for watching our video, guys. Please do subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And one more thing, please do comment for suggestions. And with the doing of the comments only, I can improve the learning skills and I can teach with you better than previous. Okay. So thanks for doing and spending some time with us.